Why install 10 different apps when one website can do everything? One app to compress your files, another app to convert them, another one just to merge documents. And don't even get started on editing, signing, or protecting them. That's 3 more apps right there. Your phone storage is full, your home screen is a mess, and every time you need to do something simple, you're spending more time searching for the right app than actually getting the work done. Sound familiar? That frustration you're feeling right now, that's exactly what millions of people deal with every single day. Today, I'm going to show you one website that replaces all of these tools. It's fast, it's simple, and it's completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden charges, no confusing settings, just one place for everything. Before I tell you the name, let me explain why this is such a big deal. Most people don't realize that almost everything they need, compressing, converting, merging, editing, can be done inside a single browser tab. No downloads needed, no installation, no storage wasted on your phone or laptop. And the best part? It works perfectly on both mobile and desktop. So whether you're sitting at your desk or handling something on the go, this solution is always one tap away. Now let me walk you through exactly what this website can do. Compress. Let's start with the most common headache. Your file is too big. You go to upload a PDF for your assignment, your job application, or a government form, and then you get that error message. File size limit exceeded. Upload failed. Now you're panicking, the deadline is close, and you have no idea what to do. This is where the compression tool saves you. You upload your file, click one button, and within seconds, your PDF is reduced to a fraction of its original size. We're talking about going from 40 or 50 megabytes down to just 3 or 4 without any noticeable drop in quality. The document still looks clean, sharp, and professional. Nobody can even tell it was compressed. This one feature alone can save you from failed uploads, rejected emails, and last-minute stress. It's that powerful. Convert. Now, here's something that frustrates almost everyone at some point. You have a PDF file, you need to make a small change, fix a typo, update a date, edit a single line. But you click on the text, and nothing happens, because PDFs don't work like normal documents. The solution is simple. You convert the PDF into a Word file. Once it's converted, you can edit every single word just like you would in any normal document. Change the text, fix the formatting, update the details, done. Your PDF becomes fully editable in seconds. This is a game changer for students fixing assignments, professionals updating reports, and job seekers tweaking their resumes without starting from scratch every single time. Merge and organize. Now, let's talk about organization. Imagine you need to submit 5 separate files: your ID, your certificates, your photo, your application form, and a covering letter. Sending 5 different files looks messy and unprofessional. It creates confusion for whoever receives them. Instead, you use the merge tool. You upload all 5 files, arrange them in the right order, and hit merge. Within seconds, everything becomes one single clean professional PDF. One file, perfectly organized, easy to share, easy to review, and so much easier to manage. Whether it's a job application, a college submission, or any official document, this feature makes you look organized and serious, even if you put it together in 2 minutes.
Extra features! And it doesn't stop there. Need to sign a document digitally? Done! Want to protect your PDF with a password so only the right person can open it? Easy. Need to convert a photo or image into a proper PDF file? One click! These extra features are built right into the same platform. No switching tabs, no searching for another app, no wasting time. Everything is exactly where you need it. So let's take a step back and think about what we just covered. Compression, conversion, merging, digital signatures, password protection, image to PDF. That's 6 different things, all from one website. No app needed, no storage used, no money spent. Instead of cluttering your phone with 10 different apps, each one doing just one thing, you now have a single platform that does everything. You open your browser, you go to one place, and you get the job done. That's not just convenient. That's a smarter way to work.
Now, you might be thinking, is this really for me? If you're a student submitting assignments or project reports, yes, absolutely. If you're a job seeker putting together applications and documents, this will make your life significantly easier. If you work in an office and deal with files, forms, and reports on a daily basis, this platform is practically built for you. Basically, if you've ever touched a PDF file and felt frustrated, this is for you. Now I want to hear from you. Before watching this video, how many different apps were you using just to manage your PDF files? Drop the number in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. And if you have a PDF problem I didn't cover today, mention that too. If you want more videos like this, simple tools, free resources, and practical tricks that actually save your time, make sure you subscribe right now. New videos come out every week, and every single one is designed to make your work faster and easier. The link to the website is right there in the description. Go check it out, bookmark it, and never waste time on unnecessary apps again.